I need some codeine that's curing my soul. Watches and watches and watches of change, yeah. A whole lot of change, yeah.
But just one time, let's make an arrangement. The color flawless, carry these stones. Saw me, I look like a caveman. Everyday life is a movable mirror. Baddies on baddies, put on like souvenirs. I bought them souvenirs. Smell on a freaky girl, I'm on a seat. Properly greet you with ice on your wrist.
Say hello.
But
you can see the account now. It's at 24.6k on the account. All right, yes guys, yes guys. Today we're chilling. Going to Nikki Beach, have some fun. Really been doing a lot of work recently, so time to, I guess you could say, have a chill day. You know what I'm saying? Have a chill day, enjoy it, enjoy the vibes. Nikki Beach is amazing. I was there last year, so let's get it. Let's see how we go.
How good is this? How good is this? We're saying doubts, that's what we're saying.
Go on.
My advice for life or for trading?
Everything.
Don't fuck it up.
I like it. Oh, look at that.
Eating big breakfast before I came here.
Oh, look at that. Mental.
Need a fucking rookie move, man. That's insane. Guys, what we look at is the opposite of what other people are doing. So here, everyone's looking to sell, so we do the opposite, and we bought in. And as you can see, we're even looking good.
Wow, very nice, very nice. You're learning.
Look at that movement.
Beautiful.
What?
Thanks for the rosé.
Nah, no worries.
Say hello.
Hola. Gracias. Hola, baby.
Yeah, the best service, guys.
And we don't give a fuck.
Okay guys, we have some huge updates. On my personal $1,000 challenge, I've caught 2 beautiful trades on gold. I will explain these in a minute, but you can see the account now. It's at 24.6k on the account. Started with $1,000. I've just had a $7,000 day on gold, and Marco's $1,000 account as well. He's had a monster day. So he's actually just turned his account from $1,000 into 2.4k. You can see his trades. Again, these aren't exactly my trades. He took some of his own trades based on his own analysis as well today, and it worked out perfectly. He had straight wins for the day. Absolutely amazing. So how's your progress going?
Oh, unbelievable. Definitely coming along, and excited to make it to 10k.
Yes, sick. So like I said, taking a complete beginner from knowing zero about trading to making his first $10,000 in the markets. We're having an amazing start. I was not expecting it to go like this, to be completely honest. I thought we'd have a lot more losses, but he is taking trades on his own as well. And he understands the strategy. The strategy itself, do you think it's hard? Do you think anyone can learn it?
I think anyone can learn it. You just need to put your head to it, focus, and anybody can do it, trust me.
Amazing. He's showing me, he's looking at the trade, saying this is a supply zone, this is demand, this is resistance, this is liquidity. He knows everything already. So what I'm going to show you guys is actually how I caught these trades on gold, how I use liquidity, how I use session timing as well to catch these moves. So basically guys, what we have here, big resistance level on gold, and price swept the liquidity at this high here. We then had price started to push down. Now, 2 things, right? We have to keep in mind, this is a bullish breaker structure, so people will look for buys within this range, particularly actually where price is now. So where price is now, big demand zone, big support level. I am expecting price to melt down a little further, potentially take this low out. That's a long-term bias based on the rest of the day. Coming into what we saw today, a support level building up. Now that support level means a lot of traders are taking buys here. They're not taking buys down here because price has done a bearish breaker structure. So what I actually looked for is I just go right into price action. So all the liquidity had been taken out, price came down, did a little bullish break, and then came down and broke this low here. Now breaking that low, everyone's now assuming we're coming down into this area down here on the chart based on the structure that we saw, this big bullish push that I spoke to you about before. But what we saw was I jumped into a buy. Why? I go against liquidity. I'm trying to take the liquidity. And again, New York session is great for this. Price will quickly and aggressively go for liquidity. I mean, you can see these 2 trades. What we had here is I jumped into a buy. Why? Because everyone else was looking for sells. So once price took this low, I jumped into a buy, price rocketed up. Within 3 minutes, I hit my target, and price had taken out this high. Now this was my liquidity area that I was targeting, and once price actually took that, I saw a high probability that we were actually going to sell. So this was actually a buy to sell opportunity, meaning that I could catch a buy and a sell within minutes of each other, knowing that price likes to take liquidity and then likes to go against everyone. Why does it go against everyone? We've got this bullish breaker structure, we leave a supply zone, price then starts to push down. Again, once we come into this area and react, this is where everyone jumps into a buy. I even said to my brother Marco, I said, sell gold. He said, are you sure? I said, yes, sell gold. Within 1 minute, price rocketed down. You can see this huge wick to the downside. I ended up closing this trade. So that second trade was actually a 4.86K trade. I actually closed that at 3348.55, so much lower. So that's a 1 to 2.3 risk to reward trade after a 1.4 risk to reward trade. Again, 2 trades, 1 pair. This is all you need. All you need to be profitable. Know how a pair moves, know how structure works, know how liquidity works, number 1. And you can see that when we create a supply zone and we react near that, everyone jumps into a buy, especially after a bullish break of structure. Coming into New York session, this was actually the New York Open where I was taking these trades. We have this buy, then we follow up with the sell. Why? Because we were simply looking for price to melt through this liquidity. I did not have a take profit set, but I had my chart here ready. But price rocketed down, so it allowed me to actually close this near the low there, banking 4.8K on this trade. Guys, trading can be this simple. Understand 1 pair, understand a complete strategy, understand liquidity, number 1. I can trade gold with my eyes closed because I've been doing it for so long and it moves so quick. If you can master something like this, if you're able to understand where liquidity is and that price likes to hunt that, these moves seem so obvious. Price goes to hunt liquidity and then goes to hunt liquidity again. I was able to catch that both times. Both times I was right. I'm on a 5 trade winning streak just on gold trades. After a loss on gold actually, 5 trade winning streak, it's been amazing. What the next step for me is, take my brother to $10,000. That's my next step. I don't really care about, guys, it's 24, I don't really care about this account, right? I'm gonna soon, very soon, put 100K into a live account and trade that for you guys. But as of now, we're building up this account. We're showing you, hey, you don't need a lot of money to actually change your life trading. I may run this account up to 100K, 200K, and like I said, Richard Mill when I get that 200K mark. But let's see what we can do with this. I think this is a very exciting chapter, a very exciting stage. And what I've actually gone and done here is I got these profits and I thought, you know, we've been in Marbella for a bit. Why don't we change locations? What I did, I bought a fucking private jet. So I got a private jet in a few days. Actually today, we're moving into a massive villa in Marbella for a few days. After this, we're flying on a private jet to Nice, on the south of France. Spend a couple weeks in the south of France, trading, training. I've been going hard. I haven't posted any Muay Thai clips because I haven't really been able to film. It's just been me and the trainer there. No one else is really around. I haven't posted Muay Thai clips. I'm going hard with Muay Thai. I'm going hard with fitness. You see, we have fun out here. You saw just in this video, we're at Nikki Beach. We're having fun. We're having a good time. But we work hard. Main thing is work hard. Main thing is build your future, build your legacy. That, for me, is trading. Now, I want to help everyone to be able to achieve their first $10,000, first $100,000 in the markets. I'm building something really, really special, and I want to show you guys everything. Like, I want to take you through, with me, live trading, showing you every single trade that I'm taking, how I'm taking this. Is it all a fluke? No, I'm showing you transparently, trade by trade, how I'm able to trade gold this way, how I'm able to bring so much profits in the market. Whether you're trading Forex, whether you're trading futures, gold is an amazing, amazing pair to trade because it has so much volatility, it moves very quickly. You're gonna be right or wrong very quickly, but again, it brings so much opportunity for you to make a lot of money in the markets. Now I'm gonna show you this, I'm gonna take you through every step. But yes, like I said to you, we have a villa, we've booked out, it's sick, and of course I had to book the private jet. So it's an 8-person jet, it's gonna take us from Malaga to Nice, 2 hours, something like this on the flight. I haven't been on a private jet before. I don't know why I haven't. Last year I was just chilling in Europe, just taking it easy. Now I'm in a bit of a different situation financially, of course. Like I'm able to do jets from every location that we go to, stay in crazy villas, stay in crazy places, spend money. I mean, what you saw in the previous video at this nightclub, Memento, We dropped 5 bags, euros, just to be there at the nightclub. Nikki Beach, you just saw it, 3.5 bags, euros. So it's like, for me in Australia, it's like double. You guys see, we're spending money, we're having fun, we're living life, but of course, living below our means still, saving up, stacking up, and you know, we're just having fun. So guys, next video you're gonna see, we're gonna be at the villa in Marbella. After this, you're gonna see me on a private jet. So we'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Make sure, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. I've got much more coming for you guys. Thank you.